In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your door weather stripping. The previous homeowner of my home had a dog and it did some damage to several items in the house. The weather stripping on the doors is one of the things they damaged. This is a very easy fix, so I thought I'd do a quick video on how to replace it. This is the kind of door jamb I have with my doors. There's a groove in the door jamb where the weather stripping snaps into. And this is what it looks like from an overhead cross section of the door jamb. All you have to do is go to the top or the bottom of the weather stripping and carefully start pulling the weather stripping out of the groove. If you can't get it started, use a pair of needle nose pliers. There are two different types of weather stripping you can use on these door jambs. There's a magnetic and a non-magnetic door stripping. On the hinge side of the door, you want to use a non-magnetic weather strip. On the head and the strike side of the door, you can use magnetic stripping. Or you can use regular weather stripping around the entire door. You don't have to use the magnetic. The magnetic seal attaches itself to the metal door as it's closed. The non-magnetic weather stripping is foam and uses pressure to seal the door to the jamb. You can use non-magnetic around the entire door. However, you cannot use magnetic on the hinge side of the door. If you use magnetic on the hinge side of the door will bind and catch the magnet part and the door will not close. This is what the two look like next to each other. This is the magnetic weather stripping. It has an extra flap with a magnet in it to stick to the metal doors. The non-magnetic is just foam wrapped in vinyl. It uses pressure to seal itself against the door. In this picture, you can see the difference between the two types of weather stripping. When you get your new weather stripping, you may have to trim it down. Just line it up next to the old weather stripping and trim with scissors or tin snips. The side of the weather stripping I'm replacing here for this video is the magnetic side. When you're looking at the weather stripping from the top, this side will be facing you, and this side will be facing the door jamb. Now all you have to do is just push it back into the groove. Now the piece of weather stripping I just showed you is the magnetic one, and that only goes on the strike side. The strike side of the door is the side of the door with the door handle or doorknob or the deadbolt. The non-magnetic goes on the hinge side. The open side of the weather strip faces the door jamb. The other side faces you. After you cut it to length, just snap that piece back into the groove and you're done. If you're going to paint your door and the jamb, I'd wait until you're done painting to put the weather stripping back into place. Then you won't get paint all over the weather stripping. I hope this video helped. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and click the bell icon. You can also check me out on Facebook. Until next time, thanks for watching.